Now we are discussing about money making options. In that today we are discussing about hosting paid webinars. A webinar is an online event that is hosted by an organization or company and broadcast to a selected group of individuals through their computers via the internet. A webinar allows a speaker from the hosting organization or company to share PowerPoint presentations or videos or web pages or other multimedia content with audiences that can be located anywhere. If you are someone with good domain knowledge, then this is an exceptional business idea for you. Webinars are most important in every business. Nowadays, service oriented businesses will be there, construction businesses will be there, and so many electronics, mechanical, and civil engineering. So many organizations are maintaining their own companies. For that, they want to expose their company, what it is doing, what type of service is doing, what type of products they will do. They will give all these things in webinar. If they explain, it is useful to them. And the same video, if you send to the social media engineers, social media professionals, they will send your company details through social media. By that, you will get a very good recognition and business also for the time being. Likewise, also it will be hosting paid webinars is most important to improve and to expose your business and services and products very well. Wishing you all the best.